Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to reset your network settings on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So resetting network settings can help you resolve issues with your Wi-Fi or your mobile network. So to reset your network settings, go into your settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Here you'll get more options. Within this option menu, you'll need to select Reset Network Settings. The iPhone will ask you for a passcode if you have one set. Once you enter in that, the iPhone will then ask you one more time. Go ahead and tap on Reset Network Settings. The iPhone will go ahead and restart and reset your network settings. The iPhone will then start back up and then will bring you back to the lock screen. Now you can unlock it and the iPhone will start to connect to your mobile SIM. If you have a Wi-Fi network, then go ahead and connect your iPhone back to the network through settings. And that is how to reset your network settings on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.